Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Did you know that Allah sent 4 special books to guide people? Let's learn their names and the prophets they were given to. The first book is Taurat. It is revealed to Prophet Musa. The second book is Zabur. It is revealed to Prophet Dawud. The third book is Injil. It is revealed to Prophet Isa. The fourth book is Qur'an. It is revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Qur'an is the last and final book. It teaches us everything we need to live as good Muslims until the Day of Judgment. These books were sent by Allah to guide people and teach them to be kind, honest, and to worship only Allah. The Qur'an is the only book that remains complete and unchanged, and it's our guide forever. That's it. Let's meet on another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.